Good day, I'm Ajay Morale, 31 years old, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 standard cuts of a whole dressed chicken. But before I proceed to cuttings, I'll show you how to sharpen my knife using my owning steel in 45-degree angle. Now, let's proceed to cuttings. These are the different parts of all dressed chicken. First, backbone, drumstick, thigh part, wings, and the breast. That's all. Thank you.